In this video, we're changing out our MORryde Step. We have the Generation 1, the first generation of the fold-out step that goes in our camper. It was really great when we put it in, but we got the springs fixed and it raised the trailer up like 4.5 inches higher than it used to be. Now it doesn't fit anymore. My temporary solution was to use a little 4x4 block, but that just wasn't going to cut it. It wasn't safe, and the steps were kind of odd. So I removed the screws, took out the old step, and Chris and I put in the new one. And to put the step in, it wasn't a big deal because we'd already pulled out the entryway from the previous step, but the holes are going to be in a different place. After cleaning out the area where the step goes in, Chris and I grabbed the step and we put it into the trailer and make sure that it fit. What I like about this new step is it's got these, fitment holes, so that when you line it up and measure the distance so that it's centered in the entryway of the door, they've got these little holes to screw it down in so you don't have to move the step around. I still used a pen and marked off where it was going to be because the step can move around when you're first putting it in. It was fitting pretty solid, so all I had to do was do the first initial location screws, screw them into the entryway, the threshold, and we're good. So at that point, raised up the step and then put in the remaining screws. There's like 4 total on each hinge that go in there. So once you get the steps locked into the trailer floor, you've got to align the side clamps, the side locks that hold the door from falling out when you open your RV door. It's really easy. A wrench, socket, and an Allen wrench. And you can loosen up the different slide parts of this arm. It's got a lot of flexibility and it moves. You can see I had to move it out about 1 inch on each side. It was no big deal. And of course you give it a test at the end to make sure that this thing latches. So when you shut the door, it actually just clips into place. Now what I really like are these legs. These legs are so much better than the first generation. You just pull the lever and the leg drops down to where it needs to be. Another big advantage that we like about this new step, it's got these new hinges, and all you have to do is pull the pins out and then the whole step comes out. So if you've parked your trailer too close to a fence or another RV, you have a way to get back in the trailer. I didn't like that about the first generation step. So this step's longer, but it still fits really good. It actually fits better. I'm not sure what's different about the fitment, but the door shuts and stays really tight. It's super solid. These steps, if you've got these in your RV, you already know. I have to tell you this, but this is a huge improvement and a big upgrade. I know this is a real short video, but I really just wanted to show you the reason why we had to upgrade this and why you might want to upgrade in the future. It really makes a big difference when you're camping in your RV. I hope this video was useful for you. If you got something out of it, click that like button down below. And of course, if you're new here, consider subscribing to get more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.